Hey there, future rock stars. In today's video, I am going to teach you 3 chords that you only need to use one finger for. So if you are just beginning your guitar journey, this is the perfect video for you to be watching. So come on in, let's practice together. The first chord I'm going to be teaching you today is G major. So we're going to take our pointer finger and we're going to put it on the bottom string of the 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3. Here's the 3rd fret. We're going to put it on the bottom string of the 3rd fret. And then with our thumb or our pick, we're going to strum the bottom 4 strings. Good. So let's just do really simple strums with this. Let's just do down strums. Let's do 4 of them. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now, let's strum down and up. That's going to look like this. Down, up. Let's do 4 of those together. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now, the next chord we're going to work on is C major. We're going to take our pointer finger again, but this time we're going to put it on the 5th string of the 1st fret. So here we are on the 1st fret, we're going to put it on the 5th string. And again, we're just going to strum the bottom 4 strings. Good. So let's do that same exercise where we start with 4 down strums. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let's practice down up. Ready? Go. Good. Now if that's feeling really easy for you, you can switch back and forth between those chords. You can start here on G major. And then go to C major. And then you can go back. One more time. Very good job. Now, the last chord I'm going to teach you in this video is E minor 7. So we're going to take that pointer finger again, and we're going to put it on the 2nd string here of the 2nd fret. 1st fret, 2nd fret. We're going to put it on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. And this time, we get to strum all 6 strings like this. Good. So let's practice that with 4 down strums together. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let's try down up together. Okay, so let's play a little bit of a game together. We're going to play a game called telephone. I'm going to play a strumming pattern, and then you are going to do your best to mimic that strumming pattern, okay? So I'm going to start us off with an easy one. So I'm going to do just down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now it's your turn. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Did you get it? I'm sure you did. Okay, so now we're going to do another one. I'm going to do another strumming pattern. This time I'm going to do C major. I'm going to do down, up, down, up, down. Okay, now you try. Ready? Go. Very good. Last one. Let's see if you can get it. Let's see if you can go 3 for 3. The last chord I'm going to practice is E minor 7. And I'm going to do a little bit of a harder one this time, so let's see if you can get it. I'm going to go down, down, down. Okay, so now it's your turn. Ready? Go. Very good job. Did you get them all? I'm sure you did. Really great job. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Those are some really great basic chords for you to come up with your own strumming patterns and to practice going back and forth between those chords. I really hope you enjoyed learning with me today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you again next time.